In this video, we'll show you exactly how to access travel expense breakdowns in Navan, giving you everything you need to quickly and easily track your travel expenses. Whether you're new to Navan or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be navigating your expense breakdowns like a pro. Stick with me because I'll also share some insider tips to get the most out of the software and a special bonus that you won't want to miss. Navan, formerly known as Trip Actions, is a comprehensive travel management platform that simplifies the way businesses handle their travel and expenses. When you use Navan, accessing your travel expense breakdowns is straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, once you're logged into your Navan account, head over to the Expenses tab. This is where all your spending data is organized, and you'll be able to see detailed breakdowns of each trip you've taken, as well as individual purchases made throughout your travels. You'll notice that Navan automatically captures all your expenses tied to flights, hotels, ground transportation, meals, and more. This automation helps save you time and reduces human error, which is critical for businesses managing large travel teams. You won't have to manually input your expenses. Navan does the work for you. To dive deeper into each travel expense, simply click on a trip and it will display a detailed summary of costs broken down by category. This gives you a clear view of where your money is going. You can also filter these breakdowns by date, specific trip, or employee if you're handling a larger team. Another feature that sets Navan apart is its ability to integrate with your accounting software. If you're using tools like QuickBooks or Xero, Navan makes it seamless to export your expenses directly. This integration helps streamline your financial processes and keeps everything in one place, reducing the need for manual entry and ensuring accuracy. One of the best parts about Navan is the expense categorization. For example, expenses can be automatically classified into specific groups like transportation, accommodations, meals, and others. This makes it easier for you to analyze your spending trends, identify areas where you can cut costs, and create more accurate budgets for future trips. Now, if you're looking for a quick overview of all expenses across your trips, Navan offers a comprehensive dashboard that consolidates your data into easily digestible charts and graphs. It's perfect for getting a bird's eye view of your travel expenses in real time. As you can see, tracking travel expenses with Navan is both simple and powerful. It not only saves you time, but gives you deep insights into where your travel budget is going. This can lead to better decision-making and ultimately a more cost-effective travel program for your company. Before I wrap up, make sure you check the first link in the description below to get access to Navan with an exclusive free trial and additional bonuses so you can start managing your travel expenses effortlessly right away. So, if you're ready to streamline your travel expense tracking, give Navan a try today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link below gets you an exclusive extended trial. Get started with Navan and simplify your travel expense management.